in the U.S. Never mind. I'll just go later.
Oh, why? Share with us, Alexander.
I was gonna say t-shirt. Oh, look, the t-shirts with like random characters on it, Chinese characters that like mean who knows what, and then similarly in like other countries they have random U.S. words on it.
Yeah, well, with the tattoos that you get that says refrigerator as well with the...
Yeah, that's right.
All right, Lindsay, you've got item number
one. I was
one.
late and I had the first agenda item. I apologize. I made Daniel late too. He'll be here in a second. So the Defend Team Day issue, I think you've all seen it by now, asking folks to submit ideas by the end of this week so that I can work with Tiago and Wayne and whoever else is interested in working on setting up a fun day. My goal is to have this ready for the first week of June. And I'm looking at like a Thursday because I know Fridays don't work for APAC. It's your Saturday. So tentatively date looking at June 4th. So continue to add ideas. There's some great ones out there already. I've been watching some of the issues from other stages that have done these team days, and it sounds like people have had a good time. I'm also trying to think of asynchronous activities so we can continue to get to know each other, even if our time zones don't overlap. And cool. Philippe.
That's I don't see Philippe on.
Philippe sends his apologies. He won't be attending.
Somebody want to read Philippe's?
Sure. There's a change in the handbook apparently for tuition. I think you get up to $500 now for English courses. There you go. So anyone wanting to brush up, it's available. Take advantage.
Cool.
Dope.
Lindsay, you're next.
Me again.
Okay.
Oh, go ahead, Alexander. Sorry.
I will go for Lindsay. New Slack user groups. Woo!
Yeah.
Now we have at Defend Engineer, at Defend Frontend, and at Defend Backend. So use them to abandon.
The groups are available in GitLab org as well. So I've created one for backend as well. So the /defend frontend and /defend backend. Thanks for my access, Lindsay. It's good to know that you're reading the blockers on the daily stand-up updates.
You know it.
And
yeah, I was putting there.
And that's you can use that in an issue or merge request, right?
That's right.
Yes.
So it'll add a to-do and an email, just a normal notification like you are at mentioning an individual. I still have an action item to update our onboarding because we need to make sure this is part of our access requests.
Or the Slack ones, are those only for specific channels, or is that anywhere in Slack you can use
anywhere.
those?
And additionally, the front-end team has their own channel now. So feel free to pop in, say hi, share a joke, or ask a question about front-end technologies in respect to Defend's stage of GitLab.
Lindsay, there's a nice man behind you pointing in the window looking like he's trying to get someone's attention.
That would probably be my husband.
No.
I hope, otherwise that's a little weird.
You mean that's not common, Lindsay? People walk by your house and point in the window?
I
It
mean,
happens in Dallas all the time.
only when I'm going like that. I took down the Post-it note art, so I get much less attention now.
Good stuff. So nice job, Tiago, on improving the overall GitLab code review process with the conventional comments and related stuff. So you put the changes in, took feedback on it from many folks, incorporated many, and I merged it this morning.
Thank you. It was a great assist. I think Mehmet pitched in and Jonathan and other people, and Paul, Lindsay linked to Paul's thing that was pretty much there for the taking. So I worked with Paul. He was happy to see it merged in. So I'll build up on that. We'll see what comes next.
Neat.
Okay. Thank you to everyone who filled out the survey so far on the Defend stage review. If you've not done it and you want to do it, please do it soon because I'll end up closing the survey. And remember, like, these sessions are for all of you. Like, obviously I know and Matt knows and Sam knows what's in their head, So now they say a lot, it sounds a little scary, but it's to make sure everybody's all on the same page. So if you aren't getting value out of the structure, we need to know that so we know how to adjust it for next time.
Yeah, thanks, David. Definitely want to give some feedback. So, just took the screenshot here. Sorry, Daniel, you just happen to be on the top right above the thing. So what you do to do this is, trying to use this feature. Everybody's doing okay, great. So, you click on reactions and click on thumbs up and agreed, Lindsay. There's no downvote or other things. So it's just a way to show agreement or not, or celebrate just without putting a chat message in. Yeah, people see that, but then people want to go click on that to see what the chat said. Or you can kind of wave, that kind of works, or smile. Or I try to do this with thumbs up, and then that kind of works, or it kind of doesn't. So anyway, just an interesting feature we can start to use. Excellent. I see everybody doing it. Sam, you're saying you don't doesn't work for you? Oh, it doesn't work for Linux. Yeah, you might need to get the latest version. So cool. That's everything we had in the agenda.
Great. Thank you.
Have a great day, everybody.
Yes. Before we drop, so
Oh.
a number of us are on a call in 22 minutes. Product management, engineering, people leaders meeting. Why don't we start that early? Since we've all got this time free. Does that work?
I suppose.
Sounds good to me.
That works for me.
All right. All right. I'll see folks over there that are planning to join that. Bye-bye.